Hi folks, it's Tony again from Tony's Comfort Kitchen, the home of comfort cooking. Okay, so today I've decided to do a dish that's suitable for vegetarians. It's all been meat so far. So I've decided to do a pasta dish. It's a very simple pasta dish. In fact, it's one of my favourite pasta dishes of all time. I've cooked it for years now. It uses courgettes, and it's actually great if you have a vegetable garden and you have a glut of courgettes and you want to use them up. This is a great dish to do. You just multiply the ingredients in the dish and you can feed, thousands. Anyway, the ingredients behind me, so let's crack on with it. It seems to be a running theme through my videos so far when I say that this dish doesn't have many ingredients, and it's very much the case here. Just because it's comfort food, it doesn't mean to say that it's packed with loads of ingredients. It's just that they're simple dishes in the most part, with very few ingredients, and just packed with amazing flavour. So here we have 2 medium courgettes, 2 cloves of garlic, I reckon on about 230 millilitres of cream. I can only get 200 in here, so I've got a little bit extra if I need it. To be honest, I think 200 millilitres will suffice. We've got some Parmigiano to finish it off, and maybe add some to the sauce, I don't know. We've got some nutmeg that we will grate in, salt, some ground black pepper, and of course some olive oil to cook it with. So that's it. Very few ingredients, simple, but it will be deep-fried, I can assure you. I've eaten this for years, believe me, it is good. Oh, sorry, got to mention, we have 180 grams of rigatoni pasta, which is it's about 3/4 cooked already. So I'll take it out, finish it off in the sauce. Okay, let's crack on. Okay, so we'll start with the garlic. There's the, I'll turn the heat down in a second. As you can see, the courgettes are starting to give up the water and render down a bit. They've been cooking now on a sort of a medium heat for about 7 minutes. Too cut. Right, it's been cooking for about 10 minutes now, so I'm going to add the garlic. The reason I don't add the garlic any sooner is because there is nothing worse than overcooked garlic. It leaves a bitter taste. I'd rather have the garlic slightly undercooked rather than overcooked. So the courgettes have given up most of the water now. I might actually turn the heat down slightly and let it cook for another 5 minutes or so. Okay, so it's been another 5 minutes and they're rendering down quite well. Now then, what we need to do now is get a bit violent with them. We bash them up, break them up, smell of the garlic and the olive oil and the courgettes is lovely. Very nice. Time for the cream. That's what I'm doing. I don't know if this will be enough. We'll see. So we just let that reduce down a little bit, let it heat up and start to bubble, and we'll get back to you in a couple of minutes. Okay, so it's time to add the pasta. Huge rigatoni. Always keep the cooking liquor. We'll add some of that later on probably. Turn the heat up a tad. I'll add some of the cooking liquor. Like I say, always keep the cooking liquor. And in a few seconds, this dish will be done. And that's it. We will dish it up and give it a taste. Right, one thing I forgot to do was grate the nutmeg over the dish. It'll take no harm doing it later on. Okay, here we are. I'll add some parmesan. Yeah, my bad for not adding the nutmeg as I was cooking it, but I'll put it on afterwards, as you can see, and it'll be fine. It'll be fine. So here we go. This is my what is it? Courgette with rigatoni, suitable for vegetarians. My first vegetarian dish on the channel. There'll be many more, don't worry. But here we go. Excuse me. Actually, I have to say, adding the nutmeg at the end was actually quite a good idea. Oh, you know, I don't need to taste this. I know it's good because I've cooked it so many times. Oh, hang on a second. Simple. You can ramp it up if you've, you know, like I say, if you've got a vegetable garden, you've got lots of courgettes, you don't know what to do with them. This is a great recipe for using them all up. You can just double up, treble up, quadruple the recipe, and you know, have a party. Wonderful dish, and hopefully you'll get many more of these. So you know what to do in future. You need to hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, and hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified of every video that I upload in future. So with that, I'll see you next time, and as usual, peace and love, people. Peace and love. Oh, I'm enjoying this.